Hi guys, my name is Wendy and welcome back to my channel DIY on a Budget. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up below and any positive comments would be much appreciated. Today I'm making my version of Kahlua. You'll need 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of water, 10 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 10 teaspoons of coffee essence, 1 cup of brandy and 2 cups of vodka. So once you've got all the ingredients, you need to combine in a large pot the sugar, water, vanilla essence and the coffee essence. Once you've done all that, you put it on the stove and just stir till the sugar is dissolved. So when it's cooled down, which it is, it's time to add your alcohol. Then you just give that a quick stir, ready to put into your bottle. Homemade Kahlua. Thanks for watching and don't forget your thumbs up down the bottom. Look at it saying bowl and I'm going, it's not a bowl. Are you recording? Finished.